sun rises, fence lines, property lines, they don't mean anything. You can walk anywhere you want, and in a way you own all you set your foot upon. It's yours. You feel that connection to the earth. You feel held by the earth. And you feel those morning fields as a sacred place, a kind of church, a temple. Oh, I have learned to feel the rain before it hits the sparrow's wings, and I have learned to read the signs to tell what will the morrow bring. And if you listen carefully, you'll hear a voice on the wind and in the stream. On the waves, you'll know that I am beckoning. And mama, I ain't never seen blue sky. Mama, I ain't never seen mountains. Mama, I ain't never heard music till I stepped across the wire, till I looked in your eyes. Walk with me the morning fields before the sunlight breaks the plain. You'll understand this place, this time. You'll understand just why I came. And if you listen carefully, you'll hear a voice in the sky, on the wind and in the street, on the waves, shoot God's which I sing. And mama, I ain't never seen blue sky. Mama, I ain't never seen mountains. Mama, I ain't never heard music till I stepped across the wire, and I looked in your eyes. Mama, I ain't never seen blue sky. Mama, I ain't never seen mountains. Mama, I ain't never heard music till I stepped across the wire, till I looked in your eyes. Stepped across the wire.